From the trading desk of dailyforex.com, this is Christopher Lewis looking at the upcoming October 23rd Forex session. And in front of you, you have the Euro Yen pair. And as you can see, we had a pretty bullish session on Monday. Now, what's really caught my attention about this, and hopefully catching yours as well, is the fact that we have broken out of a pretty significant consolidation area. I had this consolidation area labeled as uh, 104 to the 100 level. However, you can also make a case for that, but I'm going to use the conservative estimate and just simply use that. And you can see that you can make a little bit of a rectangle where you can see price has reacted, price is consolidated and such. So I'm using this rectangle as a basic measuring stick. Okay, now having said that, I like the idea that we continue this move higher. And with 100 being such a large round number, it makes sense that it offered support a couple of different times. And I guess it's actually a little closer down to here. But it made sense that it offered support a couple of times, and we bounced pretty hard. And we actually have formed what is known as a W pattern. This is bullish as well. So we have the choice. Do we want to make this a rectangle or do we want to make this a W? It really doesn't matter because they're both measured the same way, and that's what I really like about this potential trade. So again, you could either have this W, or we can have, and let me see if I can make this a little bit cleaner this time, right about here, we can have this rectangle here, both of which you measure from the bottom to the top, and then where you break out from, you add whatever that distance is. And in this case, it's 400 pips. So, having said that, and the fact that the day is closing at the very highs, it's very bullish. So we add 400 pips to the point we broke out at, and I am using 104. No need to get cheeky or cute about it. So we add 400 pips to 104, and we get a measurement of 108. So 108 gets us right to here. And that's what I like about this trade. It lines up symmetrically, nice and easy. It's an area where you would expect some type of resistance. You'll see some resistance in some other places, maybe 106. There'll be some pullbacks and such. And as such, this isn't necessarily the easiest trade to take. I firmly believe in it. I think it will work out in the end, but it won't go up in a straight line. So the question is you can play this one of two ways if you believe, like I do, that it's going higher. And that is either hold on to the 108 handle or work your way in and out of it, just simply buying on the dips every time it shows support. The Bank of Japan is expected to announce further easing, and the Europeans, we have to be getting close now that the Spanish have had their election, to the Spanish asking for a bailout. If and when that comes, that will be good for the euro. So this has two potential catalysts in the very short term to push this pair much higher. And on top of that, it's got a positive swap, which is never a bad thing at the end of the day.